Hi guys, I'm not a professional YouTuber or nothing like it, not even close. But the reason that I'm making this video is because I bought these. I know, idiot, my fault. Instead of just buying the AirPods, I went with these. But I got them in 4 or 5 days, pretty quick. But as quick as I got them, the same way they messed up. 2 days after, the right-hand side black pot messed up. Can't hear anything on it. Anything. Left one's good, but the right one's no good. I bought some accessories. I bought because, as you know, whoever uses AirPods knows that the fit is a pain in the butt. They suck. Not everyone has the same size ear, and they won't work for everyone. So I bought the accessories. See the tip? Bought that. Bought a different couple of them. I received them, and then these things are no good. But that's not the kicker. The kicker is that they give you emails and stuff that if you don't receive them on time, that you can email them and they'll get back to you in 24 hours or whatever. That's not happening. I emailed them 5, 6, 7 times, and there's no response. So that's making me think that this is really a scam. These black pods is not worth it. You should just spend the extra money, get the real ones, or get something, or get balls, or get JBL, whatever. But don't waste your money on that because these people are scammers. They really are. They won't get back to me, and now I'm hit for 60 bucks. So if I help one person out there, I done my job, and I'll feel a lot better. But I just I couldn't just stand still and sit by and let this happen, not tell anybody what's going on. So I hope whoever's out there thinking about buying or even considering buying these things, don't do it because you're going to regret it. Because once you buy them, they won't answer your calls. They'll take your money that quick, but they won't get back to you and they won't replace them. They won't do anything. So if anybody out there sees this and has any kind of information that they can help me to get my money back, I would really appreciate it. But that's what I got to say about that. They got me. So good luck to you guys. And if this was helpful at all, you could mash that like button. If not, the same. But before I leave, I just want to tell you guys, remember to be kind to someone. That a small act of kindness to the right person makes a big difference. So God bless and love you guys. Peace.